Flu and cold season, here are some of the places that I keep forgetting to clean around my home. So join me today as I show you some. So one of them is the remote. I always forget to do. Start with the Dettol spray and I spray it directly onto the cloth and then just wipe. Spraying directly onto the microfiber cloth, just make sure that I don't get any liquid into the remote and damage it to stop it working. So do your remote. Next place is the doors. So all the door handles, the front door, the main door, disinfect the handles. And if you've got a doorbell that also people ring to enter the property and stuff, if they've got any germs from any packages as well from delivery men, you get germs as well. So don't forget to clean your doorbell. Everyone has recovered from a cold. I also clean the mattress, get some air into the room so that it also circulates into the mattress as well before adding some fresh bedding. So that's another tip. And the other part would be the table that my son does his arts and crafts. He plays a lot on this table as well. So I'm just going to steam clean it just to ensure all the germs get gone, because I'm tired of getting him, having him sick all the time and him passing the little germs to me as well. So we're going to steam clean it. I always forget to clean his learning tower. Like, we spend so many hours on this learning and creating memories together, and so when he's not feeling well, he still likes to take part. He still likes to help me cook. He still likes to cut up the vegetables and stuff. So even when he's sick, he still likes to take part. So I forget to disinfect this. I'm going to clean all these toys. This is not all of them, so this is some of the toys that my sons play with on a regular basis. These are like their favorite ones. I'm going to steam clean them because flu and cold season and all the extra germs and bugs that toddlers like to share. So I am going to tackle most of these. So for the purpose of today's video, I'm just going to show you some of the toys because I'm not going to do them all because I'll be here all day. They use every single day that I think cause reoccurring illnesses. So we're going to tackle them now. Tackle these. So I've got a little cloth at the base, so just to any water can just go straight onto that. Quickly turn over. Was very satisfying to watch and to do because I could literally, it felt like I was putting everything through a car wash and everything was getting a deep clean. But especially like my son's walking thing, whatever this is called, because learning how to walk, I completely forgot that also needs to clean. And also my baby's jumperoo, so he spends a lot of time on this as well. And I'm gonna take off all the electronic parts first, and then we're left with all the fabric and plastic. If you are enjoying this video, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more cleaning content and how to, and I also do reviews on some cleaning products. So if that's your type of thing, please subscribe to the channel and look forward to more content. I upload every Tuesday and Friday. Right, and the next area is the play mat. So they spend a lot of time on this mat. playing with those cars. I'm going to steam clean it as well. Let me know in the comment section below if you are a parent, how you guys disinfect your children's toys, and how you disinfect their toys, their clothes, and everything. Just let me know in the comment section below how to get rid of all these germs, please, because I'm tired of being sick. And the last place is obviously the door handles as well, leading to the bathroom and their bedroom doors. So that is it from me, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys have a lovely day. Bye.